Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your RoundPoint Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in RoundPoint Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as roundpointmortgage.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of RoundPoint Mortgage. Now to log in, tap on the sign in button which is on the top right of the screen. Then a new page will open up asking for your username and password. So go ahead and type in your username in the text field given for username and type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can also check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. And also check this box to agree with user terms and privacy policy. If you don't have account in RoundPoint, you can create one by tapping on this text that says register your account. And you can reset your password if you have forgotten it by tapping on this text forgot password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. This is how you log into your account. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.